Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Welcome everybody. My name is Joe and really happy to see you in the future, of course, because no one's watching at this moment, but it's not why I do what I do. I do what I do because I believe in what I do. And I believe this can help many people succeed. And what we have here is volume. And welcome, welcome. Another XAU session. Another XAU session with the trading that we are going on at this moment. Let's look at our plan. So this is going to be our planning phase, okay, for our time frame. Let's plan. Let's type in info FOMC. Alrighty, welcome. And let's plan ahead of the schedule, shall we? The word of the day. 1. Look at 4H, 1H, 15M, 5M, 1M. 2. Find direction of the market. 3. Draw buy or sell zone near support or resistance. 4. Wait for confirmation candle. Right, let's go. This is our plan of the day. Look at 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame, 1 minute time frame, and find the direction of the market. And buy sell signal zone near support and resistance. Wait for confirmation candle. As easy as that. Righty, let's go. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame at this moment. We are forming, could be a bearish flag, but definitely not that much. The volume came in. It's a scary volume, man. This candle just shoots. It's more than the sell volumes on these here. So you expect something crazy going on to the next 2 weeks if there's no war going on, because we jumped almost 6%. We jumped almost 6%. That's crazy. But anywho, looks like there's a lot of sell signals here, and look at the history when we're using a gold string strategy and trend tunnel strategy. there's not much going on back here, but anyway, since we can't have any history to back us up. Oh, look at that, so much volume to sell, but this one takes the cake, dude. This one takes the cake, and that's a buy volume too, so for any buyers here would be nice. And I predicted many times ago that we formed like a double bottom here, and we might actually see a reversal, which we did. And how long will it last? I don't know. In a bigger time frame, we can perform something like this, sideways down, and then we go back and clear the 100. We don't know. This was a 30% drop, 20% drop. We can see another 20% drop. We don't know at all with this war going on right now. Or we can see a reversal. Up and away, which is the most likely thing. Go probably reach 6,000, but on the way there, I don't know. I don't know what's on the way there. But let's see. If you are in the live, just show me some love and ask me any comments or what you'd like to see. But in the meantime, the 4-hour time frame, we are still, ladies and gentlemen, we are still forming a bullish, bearish. We did break out a bearish channel. Here, we did break out a bearish channel. We are actually in sideways. I wouldn't say a bullish recovery yet because we haven't broken out of the previous high yet. Anyway, but in the short-term time, we are seeing a bullish continuation of the trend. And we're gonna have to look at my forehead because it's a Chinese thing. My mom always tell me that people see my forehead, but it's okay. We do this. And then let's go to 1-hour time frame. Oh, there's a long signal here. 24. Wait for the signal here. Still. Still up. But a little bit of sideways actions. We failed to break higher. So we testing the waters here. We do test the waters here. And then the 15 minutes time frame looking more like so heavy resistance around 474, 4725. Heavy resistance. For 725. Okay. And other than that, the trend is up, forming higher lows. Let's turn this off at this moment so you're gonna feel confused. And then 5 minutes time frame. Your market is making its decision. making decision. And finally, 1 minute time frame, trying to break out the channel. As you can see, they're trying very hard to get out of this. Very, very hard, which they did, but they had to come down to form a base. Okay. Trying to break new high. $5M. Okie dokie. Hope you guys like jazz. I love jazz. 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Market's deciding. 1 hour. For our broke out. Alrighty, 1 hour, 1 minute time frame. It's trying to break its new high. As you can see, many times it hit this area. Change of character here, and it's forming yet another line here. It's either gonna break up or break down. But right now, we're waiting. Today, this has been a very, very profitable area, which I did get into quite a few minutes earlier. Not a few minutes, a few hours earlier. So this is a strong buy area. Hello, hello. Hi, Liang. How are you? Hope you're enjoying our trading sessions together. Yeah. So let's go back since you're here. Let's go back and see the plan right here. This is our plan. Bull is trying to break out a new high in the 1M. As you can see, it's performing something you call like a triangle here. You can go two ways. Up. I don't know if you can see this, but it's a triangle. So the market is deciding whether to go up or down. And since we can't predict the market, but most likely it will try to go up. If it can, it will go down. Like this one. I don't know if you can see the pattern here. But anyway, we are trying to see a good entry point for us here, which is this one. This one's of a heavy resistance support too. Try to break. It's a engulfing candle right here. So it doesn't want to go below. But if we fail to break this and then we got here, it will be fine. But in the meantime, we wait. We wait, guys. We wait. Word of days wait for breakout. Yeah. Hope you like jazz, Hailiang. Hey, Hailiang, sorry. And 3 minutes time frame. Market deciding whether to go up or down. Let's look at the gold swing strategy and trend tunnel strategy. Here was a nice one, followed by volume. This was a nice entry point. If you were to enter here, 2000 was reached. Oh, it's non-farm today. So we're waiting to buy the area around 19. Yes, somewhere around here. Watch buy area. Righty. Excuse me, I'm just going to eat. Delicious. Target price would probably be around somewhere around here. If you manage to get in 4718. If we didn't catch that, we're gonna have to wait for down here. So wait for buy area number 1. Buy area number 2. If we fail this, we can buy this. But our stop loss is minimal to around 14. Patience is key. So we wait. Ni hao ma? Ni hao ma, is that right? The white graph would be better, would you say? Oh, oh. Nice. Do you prefer this? I can barely see. Go back. I'm sorry, let's go back. Oh, thank God. Yeah. So we wait. Our plan is to wait. Not much we can do. Right now I can play chess. I don't know if you like me. I'm probably gonna play some chess. Do you play chess, Aliang? You can play with me. Because 80% of trading is wait anyway. You won't? Won't what? Oh man. Oh, chess? Yeah. It's chess, guys. It's chess, Haliang. I am going to play this American. Go play this American. Hope you like chess. And what is he trying to do here? Ha ha ha. 555. So you've been to Thailand? You must have been to Thailand. Or you've been talking to Thai girls? Looks like what happened here. There's a doji. There's a doji. Okay. The price actually refuses to break this channel. If it does, determine the news. Let's see the non-farm. Very impact volatility deviation from actual forecast. What's going on here? Oh, it broke down, guys. There's an ethnic group in Myanmar whose way to speaking the same as the Thai people. Ah, I see. You know the 555, yeah, like the JJJA. What is it trying to do? I won't let you do it. It's broken down, so the market decided to go down. Where did he go? Oh. Oops. Okay. Price action. Are we ready? We came back down. We almost at our area for buy. This area is very nice, interesting area. Let's see. You're gonna be a hawk. Isn't it the area we're waiting for? Waiting of confirmation. Oh, but the volume. The volume is too much for the sale. It's change of character already. So buying is a little bit dangerous right now. Because I expected the consolidation to just like slowly go up. Oh, there's a signal. A nice rejection. Oh, they're gonna fill the gap. Wait and see. If there's a nice bullish confirmation candle, I would say jump in, but right now, okay. Okay. Alrighty, looks like it is time to shine. Uh-oh. The volume is too high. It came again. Yeah. Well, thanks for the likes. The price action is off our zone already. Looks like we're gravitating towards the 14th. Oh, so that was a false signal. You almost got it in the wrong foot here. The downward momentum is too high. Actually, the best course of action is to wait until the news is over. It did break out. It did break out. Yeah, many people were trying to think like us and they failed. So the next buying area would be around this area probably. Oh, no. Still no confirmation around his area. So it broke out. For this area, it's not very strong, but still, this one, we can still wait for this one, but not yet. Looks like there's no big volume here. There's a lot of volume coming in. Oh, broke through every expectation. Okay, I think the market decided that this non-farm session is a sale. No doubt about that. Good thing we didn't enter here because there's no big confirmation, so that's why we didn't enter. Oh, okay. Interesting. No signal. This could be a liquidity grab before continue to go down. Wait for this area. If there's a sell signal, we might jump in actually. There's a change of character. Did fill the gap. Wow. Wow. Definitely bearish. Ethnic group Myanmar, nice. How can we play against this guy? He has 4 minutes and I only have 1 minute. Oh my goodness. No action yet. The news is a dangerous place. Nice area. We can wait. very hard to play this kind of market here. This is change of character. The previous resistance here. Oh, it was somewhere along the line of here too. We did get the dip here, exactly the dip. 4713. Nice. It would be nice. So with the retracement, exactly almost at a 50% retracement. This area here is very beautiful. But right now, what to say? A nice recovery from this area, but definitely a high volume of bearishness. This one's a high volume bearish too. They're taking profit. Bearish rejection. Chill, just chill. No need to panic over things that are not happening yet. Trading is about letting go and getting to the points where you feel comfortable, you feel like you have discipline, but right now it's not one of them, so we don't enter. Bearish, very bearish. Now we wait. It's really hot in here. I'm just turning off the AC. bearishness is on the way, guys. Another zone. Do we have enough balls to reverse this? I don't think we do. Very nice area here to buy. But if it can't hold this area, looks hopeless for bulls, guys, at this moment in time. There you go. Oops. Should we go in this area? I think we should. Should we? Oh no. You killed my dream. Gonna have to wait around this area now. Yeah, there's no support around this area, so best to find a signal around here. Yeah, wait for this area around here. Wait for like a big volume candle up and then maybe follow. But right now, nothing. So, looks like there's not much going on this evening, huh? Except for the non-farm. Oh, look at that. If we sell this area, that would be nice. Oh, broke all the resistance that we have. So, looks like these are not usable right now. So this is the next one. Do we believe that we buy here? Oh, because last time the Americans, they sweep it all the way down here. So I wouldn't count on it. The Americans, they sweep. I wouldn't believe in anything that much. Nice. Yeah, no. Liquidity sweep is true. So we gotta wait around here now. The market decided where it's gonna go. You may be wondering, why do you change so quickly? Because in matter of minutes, it just like destroy all the resistance. So that's probably why why I'm not very bullish on that. Oh man, what can we do against these kind of markets? The volume is too high. The sale volume is too high. We can't ignore the sale volume. So what do we do? Whoa. No. I would say after the news. This one looks nice. There's a buy signal. The areas around this area. Previous low. I would probably bet better on that one. Nice recovery. Yo, what's up? Mike here. Sorry. Look. Bearish candle. Told you the Americans, they sell. They've been selling every night. It's gonna stay away. What is going on? Look at the price action here, man. It's definitely a doji. You can't can't know what's going on. It's so volatile. Can't believe it. Volatility at the max. Oh, okay. And then it shoots back up. What a thrill. And then it shoots back down. So no. Sorry guys, but I have to say it. Tonight was probably not the best time to trade. Holy moly, what's going on? Oh my god, so volatile. We did enter here. Yeah, it didn't look like good. Our plan's not for volatility like this. Sorry, guys. I never trade in such volatility. So we wait. There she goes. There she goes. Let's look at Forex Factory. Fabrication? Employment change. A forecast of 6. Employment rate shoots up. What is going on? I don't know. So the USD must be bouncing back right now, but no, it does the opposite. Yeah, DXY actually pushed, so we may fair value gap and then to throw down back again, probably. So no trading for news. What's going on? So it should be short here? There's going to be something along the line of just chilling and waiting. What the fuck? US dollar pops out, gold just kind of shoots up. The volume is high too, you change the character for sure, but why? I'm not prepared for this kind of market, sorry guys. But if we were enter this market, would have oh man. idea. Let's play chess. Ignore the market. Alrighty, let's go. Let's sell this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we entered sale. So stop loss is at 5. Let's buy a long shot. Whatever. Oh yeah, trading live. So we did actually enter a short position here as the USD strengthened. We are going to see a liquidity sweep before we sell it. That's going to be quite a nice position that we get into. So yeah, so stop loss around this area. Active sale, everybody. Active sale. You can go two ways. Active sale at volatility is high. Sell at 4. Yeah, that's 4.725. SLTP. Sell at 4735. taking profit would be around 4705. Oh my god. Did I Yep. All right. TP. Four 708 0606. Yep. That'll be it. Here we go. Here we go. Anything can happen after that candle. I saw that candle and I'm like, yep. We're in for a doozy, guys. In for a doozy. Have you ever seen a sell signal like this before? It's crazy. Big volume come up. So yeah, active sales on. See how this is gonna take us. Or take us to the moon or to the grave. Moon or grave, moon or grave, moon or grave. Let's see. But the engulfing goes two ways and it's going back to our very own position of entry. And it went back. And it went back up. Nothing is certain in this world. Nothing at all. So why is this happening? Let's analyze. This is the news. All right, let's take away from the graphs a little bit. This is the news. Employment change. The employment actually down. Negative 7.7K. That's CAD, so we don't really care about Canadian. Non-farm employment change. The employment change rate is the same, but non-farm employment change meaning that it's determined how well the US economy is doing, which is apparently it's doing well. Twice is more than forecast, meaning that the price should be the price of USD. Let's go to CUSD. The price of USD should be up, which it is by 0.25%. It is up slightly from the news. And for gold, it's going to take some hit. Hypothetically, we do not know. We are flirting with our position right now. Anything can happen in a matter of seconds. Maybe there's a bit of a short squeeze, and then it just drops. I don't know. Let's look at a bigger time frame if there's any signs of indications. It's trying to reach back above, which it did. It did 31. It was like 5 minutes ago, and it drops back. 15 minutes. Let's go back to 1 minute. Making sure our positions have all the stop losses we have. Yep. That's going to be what about TP? Let's settle TP. First TP 0.75. 0.7 could be, don't know. And now, the hardest part in trading, I kid you not, guys, is staying still. Staying still. Don't look at the graphs. Let it run itself. If it's SL, so be it. If it's TP, then let it TP. Right? Let it TP. But my teacher always say that you always have to do like a... It's 2,000. It is 2,000. 1,500 is here. That's 500. 500 to 600. Looking very strong though. There's a lot of volumes going on with a few minutes here. So we've been at it for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minutes. Feels like an eternity. The price just wants to go up for some reason. 35 is possible. We can break or sweat this. But hey, life's life. C'est la vie. Well, stand by for Titanfall. just have to chillax. It's okay, it's just trading. And wait. Meantime, we can play some chess. Do you guys like chess? Okay. 31. But why the economy of the US is so good and gold jumps at exactly 19 and a half. Not even half hours. Because this, they buy gold for the news? I don't know. Gold is a very, very hard to predict asset, which is okay. Well, let's play some chess. Let's play some chess in the news. won. We won, guys. I should change this to chess channel. Not trading anymore. So what did I miss here?
You turned a tough game around with a decisive mid-game checkmate attack.
Yeah. Start the review.
Grabbing the center, textbook way of starting the game. A textbook way for your opponent to fight for the center. Bringing your queen out early and threatening a pawn, but they are threatening to win a pawn. Bringing your queen out early and threatening a pawn, but I favor developing other pieces first. They are threatening to win a pawn through a fork. You permitted the opponent to win a pawn through a fork. They are threatening. You permitted the opponent to win a pawn through a fork. You are going to lose your pawn to this fork. Get a better way to move the queen to safety. Their best option was to win a tempo by threatening the queen. You are forcing your opponent to double pawns. Recaptures. Your better option was to develop a knight to attack the center. You permitted the opponent to develop a piece while also winning a tempo and a queen. Moving the same piece twice in the opening isn't a good strategy. Their best option was to develop a piece while also winning a tempo and a queen.
Oh yeah. Doesn't look very good, but it's okay.
This activates a piece and simultaneously wins time by attacking the queen. Moving the same piece, you prevented your opponent from being able to win material by trapping a piece. They castled kingside, placing their king in a safer spot away from the center. Your better option was to castle to the same side as the opponent. Your opponent moves their bishop to escape your attack. Your best move was to block an attack on a vulnerable rook. Their bishop comes into play, supporting the center. You are losing materials. Their bishop comes into play, supporting the center. We're losing materials. This blocks the attack on a rook that could have been captured. You are losing materials. Capturing your hanging rook. You are losing capturing your hanging rook. Good job, that's what I would have played too. This move drops the defense. Good job. Capturing your hanging rook. Good job, that's what I would have played too. This move drops the defense. Now you can simply take the pawn. Good awareness keeps the knight alive. Your opponent moved too quickly and left their bishop hanging. Good awareness. Your opponent moved too. There was only one. Their best option was to move. There was only one good move and you found it. Their best option was to move a rook to a more active position. The new attacker joins the pressure on the pawn. was only one good move and you found it. They missed a chance to win a night by eventually trapping a piece. Now black can win a night by trapping the opponent's piece with the right continuation.
I see.
They missed a chance to win a night by eventually trapping. This move leads to losing the night. This creates a checkmate threat. They missed a chance to win a night by eventually trapping a piece. This move leads to losing the night. You get a chance to checkmate the king. This calmly removes the pawn from an immediate threat. This move, you get a chance to checkmate the king.
Okay, let's go back to this real thing. So what do we see here? They're trying to take away our victory at the 4720, meaning that this is a very strong resistance line. Strong support at 4. Where's the column? 4720, meaning that this might be a launch pad for another upside, which we don't know yet. If we manage to break through, then there's waterfall. Then it's waterfall from here. And yeah, Viratayo, Virakonayan, Virahingsa, Viratasi, Viratasa, Viratio, Putasa, Mani, Mama Putasa Sawaho. Yes, I'm using magic. What's our TP1? First TP. Oh, it's going down. But we have another opponent. This is a nice area of yes, it's an area of support. It likely to bounce, as you can see here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a line. There's a very thin line between us here, which if you manage to break through, then it would be a very nice place to keep on the seller's hype alive. But looks like the price is right at this moment. We don't need to worry about anything. There's a long signal. This could mean something. This could mean something. So did we hit our TP1 for 20? Yeah. We might actually have to close one of our positions. locking in some gains, you know. It's gone down to okay, 1000 is here. It's gonna get this thing out of here, get this line out of here, this line here, a big resistance. Just get it out, get it out of here, get it out. Oh wait, I can't get this line. This line's a price indication. Oh. Anyway, looks like it's almost halfway to our profit. Halfway to our profit. Okay, now we go. Now we go. We wait. We wait. Two longs already, but it's in the middle. It's in the middle. Very high likely chance that it would just bounce like this. Oh no! And then it just goes down. Like that. What did I say? What did I just say? It just bounces. You're not going to see a clean downside for sure. It's going to flirt around this area for a little while. Just going to delete this for goodness of the eyes. Okay. We are going to turn off the gold swing strategy as well. Only for this. Actually, we do the opposite. Because we did enter here. Gold swing strategy did actually gave us a sell signal. How many is that? Uh-oh. Danger zone. Danger zone or reversal. Why did I say that? Because this. Liquidity. It's trying to close the fair value gap. I think they're trying to close it for sure. But the New Yorkers, they always sell. Let's look at yesterday. They sold. Wait, it's today. I'm sorry, guys. Look at yesterday. The New Yorkers, they always sell. Thursday. Last Thursday, gave you my heart. And the very next day, oh, they bought initially and then they sell at this time of the day. They go back 720 again. Looks like it's make or break. Test it, and then if it has some strength left, there's a buy signal. It's not good. Not good at all. If there's a buy signal here, you might have to do something about it. So I'm moving my stop losses. If I don't gain profit, it's fine. At least I'll gain something. Yep. Quite a risk. But hey, c'est la vie. Such is life. Type in 888 you see on the trade, Hai Liang. Very near the entry point. Very, very near. Probably will touch, but it's fine. That was very, very bad of me, but we did close it. Closed. Because there was a buy signal here and wait back. It did touch our precious area. There might be a hope for the buying yet. But hey, that was it. That's $30. Let's say no trade. All right. Okay, that's it for today. We did take a little bit of profit, and yeah, that was not a very good trade, but we did manage to, as we can see, there was a lot of resistance and there's a buy signal here. We don't want to go against it. We could stay with the system, but we already closed with only $30 of profit, so I'm just going to say we didn't trade this trade. Okay, we didn't trade this trade, but you're welcome to hold with your system. I would strongly suggest that you hold the system. Cut my loss was one. I made a few points of profit. Oh yeah, I mean, what I did, I personally moved my stop loss. It was once it got to this point and it flashed this sign, right? I moved my stop loss to where I got the money. So where I put in the position. So essentially I came out with no loss, and when it reached 500 points, I did get a bit of a profit back. So look at the sign. The sign is suggesting that it may even reach higher, because the news. Look at the news. The news actually very good on the non-farm employment change, meaning the economy of US is twice as good as it was expected. But at the same time, the hourly earning is bad, but this is Canadian dollar, so this may be explaining why the Canadian not very doing so hot. Maybe that's why the gold price went up. We don't know. All speculations. And look, the price is probably gonna come back around this year, and maybe we can see a continuation downwards, but it bounced up a good strong support. Now it has to test this area again, but we already got out the trade. Yeah, cut your losses once I made a few points. Yeah, I mean, as long as you have a stop loss, and yeah, I think you have to trade enough times to actually be profitable in day trading. But hey, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a very good night, and of course, let's see our risk management. Is always good to see the risk management every day. Is it here? Is it here? It's not here. Is it here? Yeah. Just a reminder, it's always have a good practice to know that always use 1% of your portfolio. And of course, what I meant by the risk to reward ratio, if you put in your money, you're expected to have a 2x in return. Okay, so even when you lose 6 times, you will still lose $600. But if you win $200 each time, you only win 4, you become profitable in the end. So yeah, for me, if my target reach almost halfway and there's a signal go against my position, then I would move my stop loss to where I got it. Okay, I would have done it too with you cut your losses. You cut your losses. Oh yeah, of course, because of profit. Yes, because you're still profitable in the end, right? Yeah, and hope you like my plan. And looks like the price it did went up. Yeah, with that, I wouldn't do further ado, and I hope to see you again soon. Hai Liang, and thank you for watching. Hope you've learned something, and let's trade together again sometime. And thank you for watching. And I have to go now. I have to pick up my girlfriend. Ciao. Bye bye.